Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, today date is 10 December 2020 and I am teaching you chapter number 19 and name of the chapter is Things We Make. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So student, in the previous video we have completed the book exercises of the chapter. Question number A, MCQ questions. For one question there are three options are given and we have to choose the right one. Then question number B, give one word answers. Then question number C, what color do we get from these natural things? So student, let's start from question number D. Give short answer to the following question. Give short answers. Question number 1. The question number 1. What did the early man use pots for? What did the early man use pots for? So student, the first question is, what did the early man use pots for? So student, let's discuss this answer and after that we will note down this answer you will note down this answer in your classwork copy. See student, as I told you when I am explaining you the chapter, that in the beginning the human beings move from one place to another in search of a food. Okay, in the beginning human beings are moving from one place to another in search of the food, but when the human beings learn how to do cultivation, lot of change come in the life of early human beings. Now they settle on, their life is settled. Now due to cultivation, once they learn how to do cultivation, they cut the trees and make the land free for the cultivation. Now the life of human beings become more comfortable, क्योंकि अब वो एक जगह पे सेटल होके रहने लगा. क्यों? पहले in the beginning he is moving from one place to another in search of food, but once he know how to do the cultivation, there is lot of change come in the life of early human beings. Now student, another problem which arise in front of the early human being is that the grains which he grown in the fields, where he will keep that grains. grains मतलब होता है बेटा अनाज. जब उसने क्रॉप लगाना स्टार्ट की तो क्रॉप से बहुत सा अनाज मिला उसे. नाउ द प्रॉब्लम अराइजेस वेयर ही कीप द ग्रेन्स. सो he need some container to keep the grains. That is the reason at that time invention of wheel has been done. So with the help of the potter wheel, he start making pots of different shape and size, and these pot the early human being use as a containers to keep the grains which he grow in the fields. Now note down the answer. The early man used pots to keep the grains he had grown. Okay, so student, the answer is the early man used pots to keep the grain he had grown. So the early human being used this pot as a container to keep the grains. Grain मतलब होता है जो अनाज जो उसे मिला, किससे मिला? क्रॉप से. Is it clear? Now student, note down the second question. Question number 2. How did the question number 2? Question number 2. How did the early man decorate his caves? How did the early man decorate his caves? Okay. So now question is, how did the early man decorate his caves? So as you know student, in the past time, early man, they don't know how to make the houses. At that time they don't know how to make the houses. So student, the early human beings, they are also living like a animals in the forest, but where does the early man live? So they live inside the caves. जो कोई गुफा हुआ करती थी, क्योंकि उसे अभी हाउस बनाना नहीं आया था अर्ली ह्यूमन बींग्स को, तो दे आर लिविंग इन द केव्स, गुफाओं में रहा करते थे अर्ली ह्यूमन बींग्स. इज इट क्लियर? सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ डिड द अर्ली मैन डेकोरेट हिज केव्स? तो अर्ली मैन डेकोरेट हिज केव्स बाय मेकिंग पेंटिंग्स ऑन द वॉल. जो केव्स की वॉल्स थी उसके ऊपर भी वो लोग पेंटिंग्स बनाया करते थे, और इवन दे यूज द मिरर पीसेस विच आर कट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप्स. उनसे भी डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स बनाया करते थे. इज इट क्लियर? सो द अर्ली मैन See student, note down the answer. The early man, answer number 2. The early man decorate, the early man decorate his caves by making paintings, by making paintings by making paintings on the wall. Is it clear? The early man, student, the early man decorated caves by making paintings on the wall. So, in this manner, the early human beings, they decorate the caves in which they are living, because student, at that time they don't know how to make the houses. At that time they don't know how to build the houses. Now next is question number 3. What is used in making lipan? Note down, or you can also take a screenshot also. What is used in making lipan? Note down the question number 3. What is used in making lipan? So, as I told you, student, that early human beings, they don't know how to build the houses. So at that time the early human beings, they are living in the caves. So the caves in which the early human beings are living, they are decorating the walls of the cave. They are decorating the walls of the caves. So they also make paintings on that wall. That is also one method to decorate the walls of the cave, that they are making painting on the walls. This is also a method. Another thing is that they decorate the walls with the pieces of the mirror. Is it clear? They are decorating the walls of the caves with the pieces of the mirrors. And what is the special thing about is that, student, these pieces are cut into a geometrical shapes, the shapes which you have already studied in your mathematics. There are different types of shapes: triangle shape, circle, rectangle, square. So these are the different shapes which you have already studied in the study in mathematics. So the pieces of the mirror that are cut in a geometrical shapes, and what they are doing after that, they are arranging these geometrical shapes in different patterns. ठीक है, they are arranging these geometrical shapes in different patterns. Okay student, and for example I show you with one example also. For example, I take a one geometrical shape like triangle. So with the triangle I can so student, with the triangle I make this type of a pattern. So in the same manner, the early human beings, they are decorating the walls with these different shapes, and they make different types of a pattern with these geometrical shape. And another important thing is that they, the outside lining is of a white color, और इसकी जो outside lining जो होती थी बेटा, that is of the white color, and this art is known as लिपन. इसकी जो पहले वो पैटर्न ड्रॉ करते थे, पैटर्न ड्रॉ करने के बाद जो आउटसाइड लाइनिंग होती थी, दैट इज ऑफ अ वाइट कलर, दैट इज ऑफ ए वाइट कलर, एंड दिस आर्ट इज नोन एज लिपन. Note down the third answer. Pieces of mirrors, pieces of mirrors cut into geometrical pieces of mirror cut into geometrical shapes are used in making लिपन. So student, pieces of mirrors cut into geometrical shapes are used in making lipan. So now note down, or you can also take a screenshot of this. So we have completed short question answer of the chapter. Now let's start with the long question answers of the chapter. Now next question is, how do people, question number E, give answer the following question. Answer the following. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. How do people in South India decorate their houses during festival? How do people in South India decorate their houses during festivals? So अब देखो what happens. Question is, how do people in South India decorate their houses during festival? So student, whenever you visit to South India, you will find outside every houses. Okay, so in South India people make beautiful rangolis outside their houses during the festival time. During the festival times, you will see student, whenever you visit in southern India, you will find beautiful rangolis made outside the houses, and it is both in auspicious and a preliminary necessity in any religious ritual. ठीक है, religious ritual. So if you, आप अगर साउथ में जाते हो बेटा, तो आपको हर साउथ कभी भी आप छुट्टियों में विजिट करने जाओगे तो आपको ये चीज देखने को मिलेगी कि साउथ इंडिया में अपने हाउसेस के बाहर सारे घरों में आपको एक ब्यूटीफुल रंगोली देखने के लिए मिलेगी. ठीक है, तो दिस इज हैपन्स इन साउदर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया. And another thing is, it is both an auspicious and a preliminary necessity in religious ritual. तो अब देखो ये क्या होता है, कोई भी शुभ काम, इसमें दिया है ना, ऑस्पिशियस मीन्स कोई भी शुभ काम करते हैं जैसे हम लोग, तो हम लोग क्या ड्रॉ करते हैं, उसमें क्या बनाते हैं, रंगोलीज बनाते हैं. ठीक है, अलग अलग शेप की, अलग अलग डिजाइन्स की, क्या, और ये वही इसमें बोला है कि साउथ इंडिया में कोई भी शुभ काम करना हो या तो हम लोग इस तरह रंगोली डेकोरेट करते हैं. और ये और रिलीजियस रिचुअल का मतलब होता है, जो देखो सब धर्म के अपने अपने बेटा रीति रिवाज होते हैं. हिंदूस अपने धर्म अपनी चीजें फॉलो करते हैं, मुस्लिम्स अपनी फॉलो करते हैं. ओके, सिख के अपने रूल्स है. सो हर रिलीजन्स के अपने रीति रिवाज होते हैं. ठीक है, सो दैट इज रिलीजियस रिचुअल, उसी को बोला हुआ है. ठीक, सो नाउ नोट डाउन. इन साउथ इंडिया people in, it is given, in South India people make beautiful rangolis. Beautiful rangolis outside their houses during festivals. It is both auspicious and and a very necessity in any religious ritual. Note down the answer. ठीक है, साउथ में एवरी हाउसेस में आपको ये देखने को मिलेगा बेटा, अगर आप साउथ चाहते हो तो आपको सारे हाउसेस में ये चीज देखने के लिए मिलेगी कि पीपल मेक अ ब्यूटीफुल रंगोलीज आउटसाइड देयर हाउसेस. ठीक है, ड्यूरिंग फेस्टिवल के समय आपको हर हाउसेस के आउटसाइड ये देखने को मिलेगा. एंड इट इज रिटन इट इज बोथ एन ऑस्पिशियस एंड प्रिलिमिनरी नेसेसिटी इन एनी रिलीजियस रिचुअल. व्हाट डज इट मीन? इट इज बोथ, एक तो ये फॉर एग्जांपल रंगोलीज क्यों हम लोग मेक करते हैं, एक रीजन तो ये है कि कोई भी शुभ काम होता है, जैसे आप वेडिंग भी ले सकते हो, बर्थ ऑफ द चाइल्ड भी ले सकते हो. ठीक है, कोई भी शुभ काम करते हैं तो हम रंगोलीज बनाते हैं. एक तो ये भी ले सकते हो, और दूसरी चीज क्या है, रिलीजियस रिचुअल क्या है. फॉर एग्जांपल देखो, हर रिलीजन्स के अपने अपने क्या होते हैं बेटा, रीति रिवाज होते हैं. ठीक है, हर धर्म के देयर आर मेनी पीपल बिलोंगिंग टू डिफरेंट रिलीजन्स, है ना. पीपल बिलोंगिंग टू डिफरेंट रिलीजन्स आर लिविंग इन आवर कंट्री, और सारी रिलीजन्स के अपने रीति रिवाज होते हैं. सो दैट इज द आल्सो रीजन फॉर मेकिंग ब्यूटीफुल रंगोलीज. ओके, नेक्स्ट है, नाउ you have written answer number 1. Question number 2, where do we find Madhubani and Varli forms of art in India? So this answer we will discuss in the next video. So there is a small activity kya lo, yes, homework for you. You draw a beautiful rangoli in your classwork copy and also color it also. Draw a beautiful picture of a rangoli, and after that student color it also. Is it clear? So this you have to complete. And you also draw the shape of pot in your classwork copy. Thank you, student.